Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Abdul Halim. So today I would like to do some SRE presentation about my system, which is Akuatrop Hatchery system. My matric number is S51898 and my supervisor is Dr. Faizah binti Abdul. Okay, now we go for the problem statement. Okay, based on this term, we try to figure out a few problems that has already been in the hatchery system. So basically, actually it's like, due to the large number of eggs, the staff is having difficulty keeping track of the embryo's progress, and after that actually no systematic way to keep track of a large number of eggs hatchings at the same time. And the last thing is the staff still need to rely on manual work when it comes to analyzing the data about the hatchery. And then we go for the problem solution. Okay, when it comes to problem solution, there are a few things that we already figure out based on the problem statement that already been defined. So first thing actually, the user can track their hatchery growth by just accessing to the system, either on their laptops or smartphone, since it's a web-based system. And after that, actually, staff can record all the data online. And the last thing is, we try to make sure that the system can manage all the data like batch information, including the daily report. And then we go to the objective. Okay, based on this system, which is Akuatrop Hatchery system, there are a few objectives that are already been defined, which is to manage the data more systematically, which is due to massive amount of species animals, there might be some problems to manage all the data by manual. And the second thing is to access all the data anytime and anywhere to make it easier for the staff to analyze all the data without taking too much time doing it manually. And then we go for the scope. Okay, so for scope, there are three things that we already defined, which is the system is estimated to complete within a few months, which is a short time. And after that, actually, the stakeholder for this project is going to be UMT students and staff of the Akuatrop Hatchery. And the third thing, actually, a few creatures such as turtles, prawns, and crabs are the center of the system. And now we go to the methodology. Okay, so for the methodology, the agile methodology was chosen as the project methodology for the system. Iterative software development is a form software methodology that is used to reduce risk by building software in a short time period, which is known as iterations. So the agile methodology phases are rigorously followed to ensure that a systematic approach to the system may be achieved, which is plan, design, develop, test, release, and feedback are the primary process of the agile development. And now we go to the. So as you can see, this is the screenshot of the system. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, which is consists of a few important data, such as we can see here. This is the total batch, and you can see a few batch that has already been created by the user, which is the username Ahmad Razin, and then we can see how much batch that he already created, which is 45, and the total batch 9, point batch 4, and create correct batch 2. And then we go to the other screenshot, which is this is the detailed batch of the Akuatrop Hatchery system. So this is one of the batch that has already been selected. So there we can see the detail of the batch, such as batch ID, set date, estimated hatch date, and then we can see the tag, locations, number of initial eggs, and then the remaining eggs that have been left, and then they can see the progress in here as well. And now we go for the conclusions. Okay, so basically the Akuatrop Hatchery system actually is a web-based system that allows all lecturers to keep track of their eggs and ensure that the data is managed in a systematic manner. This technique is mainly focused on the development process. The design is the most important element in the process since it specifies the system structure such as design interface, code, and function. It is hoped that having this technology will assist the hatchery in being more efficient and productive in the future, resulting in outstanding results. Thank you.